We are going to do a walkthrough of a Balestrini 2 TAO round end Tenoner. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This Balestrini Tenoner features 2 tables that remain stationary while the cutter alternates between tables for continuous operation. The 4.8 horsepower, 9,000 RPM spindle powers a belt-driven cutter head that traverses in a climb cut on both tables. 2 14-inch by 9-inch tables tilt 0 to 20 degrees. Each table has pivoting fences, vertical height adjustment, and overhead pneumatic hold downs. The positioning motor is 1.2 horsepower. The max width of a tenon is 3 15/16 of an inch. The max thickness of a tenon is 1 3/16 of an inch. And the maximum depth of a tenon is 1 15/16 of an inch.